Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Uh, I'm not here to actually explain about any trade. I'm just here to just give an advice because I've been seeing some DMs that I want to learn your strategy. I want to learn this. I want to learn that. But that was the reason why I have to just record this video to just explain some things to you guys. Now, before that, let me just show you something that I'm expecting on Euro UD. So it might just be just an insight, just a trade idea. So I'm actually expecting a buy, probably from this RBS here. Can you see? I have a liquidity very close to it here. There's a liquidity very close to this. Can you see? So just wait for price reaction. So don't just assume, wait for price to react. I dropped this trade to a group that I'm into. One of those groups. I dropped this particular trade, and I dropped this sell. I think I dropped it in my Telegram channel. I'm not too sure. This particular sale that is selling down here, I dropped this one. So and this also. So I'm expecting price to react from here, probably from here, or at this QM here on this 4 hour time frame. This QM here. So you should expect a buy from this one, but wait for confirmation. Not this 4 hours time frame. Immediately you see price reacting on this particular zone here, probably price reacting, rejecting very much here. Then you go to 1 hour time frame to watch to look for a breakout. Immediately you see a breakout on 1 hour time frame, then you can go down to 30-minute time frame or 15-minute time frame from your for your structure for your entry and structure. So that's that about this particular pair. Now, all strategy works. You must have that at the back of your mind. But I have some people coming to my DM. I want to learn your strategy. There's no problem about that, but I must explain to you that all strategy works. None is superior. Do you get it? In fact, till now, we have some traders, big traders, that are trading support and resistance till now, just support and resistance alone. So there is no strategy that is superior. There's no strategy that is superior. Both support and resistance, SMC, ICT, all strategy works. Do you get it now? The only thing we just need to do as traders is to work on ourselves. Do you get it? That's what we need to do. That your strategy that you are using to trade, it works. But let me just give you uh just this advice. Probably you will see yourself probably this way the areas you're actually having problem so that you can make adjustment and then you have good results by God's grace. You get it now. Our strategy works and then you don't have unrealistic dreams. You get it now. You have to give yourself time and strive on getting adequate knowledge. You get it? Hard work does it. Don't have all this unrealistic dream of buying mansions, buying Lamborghini. Though you will get there, you will do that. You will do that in this career, but it takes time. All those big traders there, all those influencers they are seeing, they didn't start to do. Some of them they started like 5 years ago, 7 years ago, 10 years ago. They've started this career, so uh it's not a room that you build in a day. You get it? It takes time to do all these things. I just need to tell you this, and then that particular strategy you are using, you need to back test it. You need to test that strategy if it's actually working. You need to look out for the loopholes there. You need to look out for what works and what doesn't work. Do you get it? And then you need to have a trading plan that you follow strictly. If you're a trader and you do not have a trading plan, you're just playing. Do you get it? You need to have a trading plan that you follow strictly. You need to have a particular model that you trade always, and you must always look for it on the chart. Do you get it? If you didn't see that particular model, if you didn't see that particular structure, you don't need to trade. That's where people have problem. There are some groups that I meet with that will just see people on Sunday evening when market is about to open. I'll see them sending chat, setting setup, in fact setting limit when market is just about to open. And it's not always I will just you guys should settle down. Look for where price is headed to. Even on Monday, most time on Monday, I don't trade. I only take this Ethereum trade because it's crypto. Do you get it? Most time I don't trade on Monday unless the setup is very very clear. Because most time on Monday you don't even know where the market is heading to. Do you get it? So you need to just calm down. You need to have a trading plan that you must follow strictly. You must have a particular model you are trading, and then you must always look for it on the chart. Do you get it now? You must not. We have A plus setup. We have some people even have A plus plus. Do you get it? So you must have A plus setup. You must have B plus setup. There are B plus setup. Do you get it? You must have setup that you are what, that you are trading. You are looking for on the chart. So if it's not there, you are not trading. Even if it takes days, 2 days, 3 days, even weeks, there are some times that I don't trade throughout the week. It's not by force. Let the capital be there. Do you get it? Let the cap, don't force trade. It's not compulsory that you must trade in a day as a trader. Even though you are called a day trader, doesn't mean that you must trade every day. Do you get it? The important thing there is to protect your capital and capitalize on quality setup only. By doing so, you will discover that your losses will reduce and you won't just blow account. And before you know, you start realizing that you are making profit. Because this career, it requires a lot of patience. Oh. Don't force any setup, because you must have this understanding at the back of your mind that uh, winning and loss is randomly distributed in this world, in this space. Oh. There's no how you want to do it that you won't lose. Do you get it? There's no how you want to. You will lose. You must have that. So, in as the more you must embrace loss as much as you embrace profit. Do you get it? You must embrace loss. Oh. You have to marry loss. You have to marry loss. Do you get it? There was a book I was reading, Best Trader Lose. Uh, Best Trader, is it Best Trader uh Success? I forgot the title of the book. It was actually a good book. Do you get it? So you must embrace loss. The more you embrace what, the more you embrace profit. And then don't gamble. Because most people, they just gamble in trading and then they call it forex trading. Then they say forex is a scam. Forex is not a scam. It's not a scam, honestly. But the way people approach it makes it a what? Makes it a scam. Like you gamble your money, you over risk, you gamble, even setups that you don't even know, you don't even have the direction, you don't even know the bias of that particular pay that you are trading. You just gamble into it because some people are calling buy, or they are calling sell. So that's why I don't see, if you are taking signals. I don't say you should don't take signals, oh, but if you are taking signals from groups, you won't grow. I've done that before and I know the results. You won't grow, you won't move on the spot. Because when some people are, if you join like 10 groups now, some people will be saying buy Euro USD, some will be saying sell. Now you'll be confused what to do. Are you to buy or are you to sell? Do you get it? That's why you need to just be a lone wolf. Build yourself. Build yourself. All those people that you are watching their videos today, they all started somewhere. You can also do it. Don't gamble. Do you get it? Only risk what you can afford. So if you are risking what you cannot afford and then emotions begin to set in, you begin to make reckless decisions in the market, and thereby you want to do revenge trading, and then by that you lose more of your capital. Do you get it? And then another thing is that you should journal every trade that you take. Journal every trade, whether it's a win trade or it's a loss. Just journal it, and then always check back the reason why you lost that particular trade. What happened? Do you get it? You confirm, okay, what happened? Where did I make the mistake? Then you note that particular trade. So the next time when you see that kind of a thing against the market, you will know that you've made this kind of mistake before. You won't want to make it again. So by that, you begin to reduce the loopholes. You begin to reduce the loopholes. You begin to reduce the loopholes. So as you study more on it, then perfection begins to set in. Do you get it? So always check at the end of the day why you lost a trade, and then the win trade also. Save the chart and then journal it also. Do you get it? So that's how it works. So don't just approach market as if you are the owner. Do you get it? Because this market, it will teach you so many things. It will teach you patience, because patience does it in this space. Honestly, patience does it. You need to have patience, like real one, real patience, because best trader out there, there are traders that have patience. They wait for a particular setup to form. If the setup doesn't form, they are not taking trade. They are not placing any trade. So I think if you follow this, piece of advice, I think it will work for you, honestly. So you must just have that understanding at the back of your mind that all strategy works. None is superior, none is inferior to other. Do you get it? We just need to work our